Hello everyone, how are you doing? It is your girl Andrea, global voice under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown. And you're probably wondering, Andrea, why are you surrounded by a whole bunch of plushies and, stuffed animals and animals? Well, it's funny you mentioned that. I just decided to come up and do a video in jovial state. Now, yes, it's late here up in the States, up in the mountains, but better late than never. See, these guys are keeping me company and comfy and cozy. And that's what you should feel when you are working toward your dream, working towards a goal, getting excited about upcoming tasks, getting excited about what your life is going to be, getting excited about who you're going to meet, who you're going to become, and what's in store for your future. But sometimes what happens is we always don't pan out what we think is going to occur. And I want to bring it to your attention to the very amazing Miss Abraham Hicks. Now, for those of you who don't know, check them out. It is Esther and I believe, I can't remember the other gentleman's name, but they're a young couple and they talk about the law of attraction. And it taps into the vortex and the secret, which is a little bit deeper dive than we're going this evening. But what is really important that they discuss is that should the path you choose occur and you're not excited, then choose another path. It is really important that you take ownership into that. So it talks, and here's the quote from Abraham Hicks. If you're not excited, if you are not excited about it, then it's not the right path for you. And that's what we talk about passion. That's what we talk about doing what you love every single day, even if you weren't getting paid for it. What is a skill set, a passion that you love, something that you enjoy doing that really ignites your spirit, ignites the flame within, ignites and energizes you and gets you smiling like these guys that surround me. You know, I am reminded by the great Imagineer, Walt Disney. He's a favorite in our family for years, and I was fortunate for my family to take me from the age 4 all the way up to my late teens. Every single year would be a family vacation, just embracing the magic. Mr. Walt Disney was all about the people, all about the customer service, all about the experience, all about the memories that were being created from generations upon generations passed on to another. And Disney is worldwide. It's all over the place in different countries. And what I remember most is the memories, the experiences, the interactions with the characters, the amazing interactions with the people and the cast members. Most importantly, the memories that were made with the characters and experiencing the rides. So take it from me. Take this to heart, paraphrased of course from Abraham Hicks. If you're not excited about it, then you should choose a different path. Do what you love what you do it with passion, do it right, and that is what is going to make you successful. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, bringing you daily content every single day, reminding you to choose always to press play, plan life according to you. I'll see you in the next video.